That's the end of day 4, week 1. So they're not coming back till Monday. So we'll go over everything that they've done so far. Obviously, they put up all the exterior walls. They put up all the roofing. Came back through and put a fresh coat of paint on the whole exterior of the building. So it looks a lot better now. Obviously missed that part, but I don't know if it's staying. Yesterday I also tore out this fence so that we can have additional parking, because we don't really have enough room for parking over here. Even though we have 30 parking spots, it's still not enough. So all the walls are finished, painted, except for the top part. The top part still needs to be painted. Only a couple people here today, so I didn't get as much done as I got the last 3 days, but still got quite a bit done. So they're scaffolding up. They're probably going to start this side with the roof. So they'll probably have to paint again. So 7-foot garage. And you can see 8 foot and then 9 foot. 9-foot walls. They did put the loft in today. One of the issues we had was right here, where the concrete guy didn't quite listen to me and put the conduit in the wrong spot. We showed him the plans. Tuff had provided where all the studs were going to be, and so it should have been moved over. So once Tuff is done, I'll have to kind of fix that so that I can actually have electrical come in here. I'll probably just swap these 2 plates and move the stud over, so that there's still 14.5 for electrical. This is gonna get insulated this weekend, and they're gonna come back and put an inside sheathing on it, or shear. Looks like the tie downs were slightly undone and then pulled up, so I don't know what that was about, but they're higher than they were yesterday. They forgot to put in a stud here, so we put a stud in here, or they put a stud in here today. And then the same issue with the conduit right there. Concrete guy put it right where there's 2 studs that come down. So the solution is that they're going to build around this like this per the county, and then I'll have to come back through and drill a hole down to get into the conduit, and then the electrical can go right there in the middle. All the loft, and then here's the stairwell. They built this truss on the property. I mean, all the trusses were built off-site, but they put these trusses together on the property and then put them up there. And that is the landing for the staircase. And the staircase will come down to there. This is one of the walls for the staircase. The wall will go, this wall specifically is the small wall, so it's going to go on the right side. And the opening is going to be on the right side, And there'll be a solid wall on the left side completely separating the garage from this living space. And I'll show the loft once they finish the stairs, because I can't jump 9 feet. These are 9-foot walls. Not bad for 4 days of work.